Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF, US dollar, Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of USD CHF in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart, and the chart is also not that simple. So let's try to understand what these levels are, what are these lines, and let's try to find out whether this chart is good enough for us to trade or not. So let's do everything step by step. Let's get started. So first and foremost, if we look at the trend of the market or just chart here, then the overall trend is not much clear. Or if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then we can see that the market does not have any proper trend. Unlike the USD CAD or Euro USD, where market is either in uptrend or downtrend, we can see that the chart of USD CAD is not giving us any proper direction. The market looks sideways or a choppy market. Okay, and if we look at the present portion of the market here, or if we just focus on this particular portion of the market here, then we can see that right now the sellers are dominating the market. Sellers have got the edge right now in comparison to buyer. So overall chart may seem to be in sideways, but right now at this particular time, this market is under the influence of sellers, or in simple words, sellers are dominating the market, or number of sellers are higher in comparison to the number of buyers. Clear? Okay. So first and foremost, let's talk about this level. We can see that this level is standing at the top and also the resistance for the market. As this is a market, so definitely there will be some um, price levels acting as resistance, and there will be price levels acting as support. Okay, and this price level at the top is the resistance for the market, because you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing selling pressure, it faced selling pressure at this level. Therefore, I will request you, okay, if you are a trader of Euro USD CHF, then I'll request you to draw these levels, okay, so that you can analyze the market better, so that you can also understand the market better. So this is the resistance for the market, or in simple words, sellers are present in this level. Sellers are present in this level, and they are not allowing the market to cross this particular level. Whenever market reaches this level, they started selling. As a result, this level has turned out to be a very strong resistance for the market. So my dear friends, I'll request you to draw this level or mark this level. So apart from this level, okay, which is quite far away from the current market price, we have got this trend line. Okay, this trend line which is acting as a resistance for the market. But you can see that this is not a very old one, okay, because recently this trend line has got its job. And right now we can see that this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. Whenever market is trying to go up, it is facing resistance from above. Therefore, we cannot deny that this trend line is now a valid resistance. So apart from this level, we have another resistance, that is this trend line. So this trend line is also a valid resistance. Clear? Okay. So as we have got resistances, then definitely we will be having support levels as well. And the support level on the USD CHF chart is in the form of this trend line. So we can see that, okay, this trend line is also acting as a support for the market, or dynamic support, because whenever market was trying to go down, or there was a breakout towards the downside, okay, this trend line is coming for rescue, or came to rescue and acted as a support. See, whenever market went down, this was the level, or this trend line was always present to provide support to the market. Therefore, we also have a support. So this is the support, this is the resistance, this is the resistance. And as this resistance is far away from the current market price, therefore this resistance is not much important for the market right now, because that level is quite far away. So these are the levels. So last important level on this market is this black line, and this black line is the price level from the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of USD CHF here, and you can see that we have a line in the middle. Let me remove the drawings so that you can see better. See, there is a line here, and you can see that whenever price was trying to go up, okay, listen to me carefully now. Whenever price was trying to go up, it faced selling pressure from above. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 candles. Each candle signifies 1 week. This is a weekly chart. So it's been more than 2 months. Price is still struggling to cross or close above this level. And still price is struggling hard, not in a position to close above this level. So this level is also very important for the market. 0.9180. So my dear friends, you also need to mark this level on your charting platform. So these are the price levels on the USD CHF chart. I can understand that yes, the chart looks very complicated right now, because if you have watched my other videos, then you know it pretty well that I prefer to keep my chart clean. I do not like to draw many levels and all. Okay, I prefer to trade on a simple chart or clean chart. Okay, anyways, can't help, these are the levels right now in the chart of USD CHF. Okay, so if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, okay, this is the Forex sentiment meter, and you will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So USD CHF, see, here is USDCHF. So you can see that 29% retail traders have taken short position and 70% retail traders have taken long position, which means that 29% retail traders are thinking that market will be going down, whereas 70% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up. And as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friends, do not follow the retail trader sentiment blindly. Trade with proper analysis, trade with proper knowledge and all. Okay. And recently I have also launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be bringing you the best trading opportunities available on the market. And want to know more, just go through the information. There is also a different page. Just click on the know more button. It will take you to a different page. If you're still interested, click on the subscribe button. I'll be contacting you through WhatsApp. So this is the chart of USD CHF in front of us right now. So we have understood what are these levels. So what should be our strategy then? So if we just look at these lines here, then it looks like a symmetrical triangle pattern. It looks like a symmetrical triangle pattern. So generally in a symmetrical triangle pattern, what we get is that we get a breakout above this level. But my dear friends, as this is a choppy market and symmetrical triangle pattern is generally found in bullish market, but this market is a choppy market, therefore do not be waiting blindly for market to break out on the above this line. Okay, so keep your eyes closed, and there is a possibility that market will be either giving you a breakout above this line, this resistance on the upside, or this line or this support level on the downside. So confused? Okay. Oh, no. Sure, I was about to close the recording. Sorry. Okay. So what you need to do is that as long as market is trading in between these two lines, listen to me carefully, as long as market is trading in between these two lines, you do not need to trade, because already market has squeezed very much. Okay, this is your no trading zone. Just wait for the market to either cross this level on the upside or this line on the downside. If you find market crossing this level or this resistance level, you can go for a buy. Just keep in mind that this will be your take profit target, this black line. Or if market gives a breakout towards the downside, you can short the market below this level. Okay, so just wait for the perfect opportunity. Do not trade in the middle. That's it. So hopefully you understood. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.